How to change Gmail address. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can change your Gmail address. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So to change your Gmail address, or basically your email ID and username, you cannot actually change the username of an existing address, including or mainly the @gmail.com part. So what you can do instead of that is create a completely new Gmail address and transfer your data from the old one to the new one. So what you need to do is, let's say you want to create a new mail, so type in mail or simply type in Gmail and you'll find the Gmail option. If you don't see it, you can simply type in Gmail create and you'll find the create a Gmail account option. Tap on this and you'll be prompted to create a Gmail account support page where you'll get the link to create an account. So head over to Google account sign in page from here. After you do that, if you're already logged in into an account, you can tap on this icon on the top right. Then scroll down and tap on add another account. After you tap on it, you will then be able to see create account option. Tap on create account. Tap on for personal use, or if it's for work or business, tap on that, or if it's for a child, tap on that. So I'll just tap on for my personal use. Then type in your name. Then your last name if you want, then tap on enter. Then select your basic information such as your date of birth. Let me do that here. Then select your gender. Finally, tap on the next button. After you do that, you'll then need to select a new username. So keep the username that you want. Now, since you wanted to change your previous username, you'll have to type in the very same username or your address that you want. So type in your address. Then tap on next. After you do that, you'll then need to type in a password. Create a strong password. Then type that in again here. Then finally tap on next. Then if you want, get a verification code by typing in your phone number and then tap on next. After you get the verification, verify that it's your account and you'll have created a new account with your very same ID that you wanted. And that's basically how you do it, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.